blah, blah, blah. We got dudes that talk a lot of noise when it comes to fishing. I'm not one for the noise talk, man. I'm not one for the jib jabbing, jaw jacking. We just gonna see who catch the fish today. See that? Right now, he told when y'all gonna get in the water, he over there talking noise. Right now. Right now. Christmas almost here. He talking noise. Talking cash shit right now. About to go wear his ass out. This wind is blowing. Well, let's go ahead and see if we can get on these fish, guys. This water is not as clear as it normally is. Why? Because I'm standing up. You'll be real jealous when I catch this first fish. Yuck. 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 That was the grossest thing ever. What are these melted seaweed patties, kelp patties? Landed on my damn shoulder. It was so nasty. I ain't going through that shit again. What I'm gonna do is cast up in there, see if something bite over there. If not, you won't catch me going up in there, because that was hot and nasty. Big, warm, nasty piece of disgustingness. Ain't nothing going on back here. That's what I'm about to go check out. About to beeline it. Yeah. The minnows. Oh snap. It goes on and on and on, huh? Oh look, now my fish finder is reading 6 feet. Yeah, it's 6 feet under here. Well, it's showing some under this it's showing some under this bridge. Under the bridge it is. Right on this side it's 4.5. I tell you what, man. It feel like I ain't caught a fish in ages. I haven't been able to catch them consistently enough, man. Not to my liking anyway, man. Usually this one I be on fire. I think that's what... Oh, something just happened back there. It's the time of year I usually be killing them. But the sun coming out now. It's time to throw on a Bloody Mary. Yep. Finally got one on the buzz base. I was getting ready to go back there too. It's small. Oh, don't lose him, James. Don't lose him. I'm coming to help.
Buzzbait.
Oh yeah.
I better use that. He's stuck in the weeds.
Oh yeah. Here I come.
Off the block and blue.
Damn, I lost him.
Oh man, no you didn't.
I did.
Oh,
It's the weeds.
fuck.
It's the weeds.
I know
He
it.
was barely hooked.
I bet it.
It's the weeds. But we saw him. That counts. That counts.
Touched him.
I touched him, right?
Man. Good 3-pounder? Maybe
2.5
yeah.
at least. There
Buzz
you go.
baited it. Yeah.
Yup.
I fucked up the damn fishing hole right here too.
Blew up the spot.
I knew it was in the weeds real good. I'm so worried about that.
And I'm talking about don't lose him, and I'm the one who lost him. That's why we need to get us a net for this type of stuff. I never even thought about getting a net, to be honest. No, I'm about to cut through here. I'm about to cut through here. Man, this is my kind of fishing right here, man. Creek fishing. I love creek fishing. This is my kind of fishing. Yeah, yeah. Finally got one. Oh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Shit, he pulling hard in the mother. Damn, he is huge. He is huge. Get on the boat, baby.
Oh shit, that is big.
On the bus, bait. Yet again. Yeah, we in there. He light though. He big, but he light. Bloody Mary. Yeah.
Okay, I gotta ask.
Yes, sir.
About an hour?
Hey, that's how we do it, man. We wait all day for this. This is what we wait all day for.
Caught him right here in this back corner, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Back pocket.
See, that's exactly why I like creek fishing. Oh, it keeps going on and on, guys. Once you get through this little bottleneck, it just opens right back up. Man, this is why I like creek fishing. Damn, that was a long shot right there. Woo, thank you, God. I'm on again, guys. I'm on again. Okay, he ain't that big, but hey. I ain't telling these fellas. That's why I like creek fishing, man. This is my thing. I'm gonna have to call myself Creek Bass Sniper. Man, he was chewing the mess out of this thing, wasn't he? Now that's a little fella. That is a little fella. But we are happy. What's going on with your tail, buddy? Look at that stuff. All right, man. Look, guys. We on the fish finally. And this is why I fish all day, because you never know when and where you're going to find them. But I'm always happy to see fish, even if they're little. Bye-bye, little guy. Man, this thing all chewed up, bro. I said, this thing is all chewed up. The last one I caught that fish on. About to scoot on down this little creek a little more and get one, though. We got beautiful water to fish, beautiful creek. This, man, I live for creek fishing. That is my thing. You know, if you got a wide open lake and you can't catch them, hey, hop on that creek. You'll get them. All right, fishing fam. We've been out here for a minute. We caught a few fish. Seemed like the bite turning on, but I'm running out of battery. Hey, we do what we got to do. I'm going to keep fishing. Never let up. I guess if we keep hooking up, I'll come back with more fish. I'll record from my phone here. Like I said, man, never let up. We got beautiful water to fish, but that's just my thing, man. But hey,
Oh, wow.
we got James just around in the bend
Dude, bad to the bone.
with his buzzbait tee. Hey, we've been killing them on the buzzbaits today too, guys. We're gonna keep fishing, but if we don't catch anything else, I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Never let up.